Hey everybody, this is an introduction to Adobe Spark. This is what you're going to be using for your portfolio project. Um, what you're going to do in Adobe Spark is produce a video, but it's a series of slides that include images, text, and voice. What we're looking for is almost like a little interview portfolio of yourself, introducing yourself and some of the work you've done. So Adobe Spark, it's free, and you're going to create an account. I already have one, so I'm signing in. And you'll come to a dashboard that looks like this, and you can create websites and a bunch of other projects. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit this plus button, and you're going to create a new video. And you could put your name here. And you can change that name. Now we're going to hit start from scratch. And you can make themes. You can upload a video, you can create text, photo, icons, you can do split screen, you can have a single screen with a caption, and then you can start off with a title. Okay, that's just an example. You can change the themes. It'll automatically update the different backgrounds. Again, think of this as something you might send to an employer. So you want it to show who you are, but you also want it professional. Okay, so let's add a slide, and I'm going to add a photo, and I'm going to find a drawing that I've done. And you can adjust the size of the image. Again, I would try to present black and white images of your drawings. You're welcome to include things from other classes, but at least show 4 or 5 of the projects you've done in this class. So if you've done a 3D printing, something that's related, you've done another architectural drawing, feel free to include it in this portfolio. It's completely up to you. Now, what I would like also is on your initial slide, a video of what's called a talking head. So it's at the beginning, you're going to introduce yourself, and you would upload a video using whatever tool you wanted to use for the recording. And then you can perhaps have a slide that has text also for, my goals. So you should start off with a title page. It's going to move into a talking head video where you tell the class a little bit about yourself, a series of slides about yourself, and a portfolio of your work. You'll end up with a credit page here. If you've used anybody else's work, it should be credited here. You can also add a music track if you want to the background, and it'll run it. One trick about this is each slide is 30 seconds. but if you want to repeat a slide, you just duplicate it. But the soundtrack has to be recorded within 30 seconds. It's a method of quick succession of presentation. When you're all done, you're going to go to download, and this takes a little bit of time. It's processing your video. Once your video is finished downloading, it should be in your downloads folder as an MP4 file, and that's what you're going to upload in the assignment. All right. There are more details about the assignment requirements itself in the assignment. But I hope this works for you, and this could be a good resource for when you start interviewing around. You could have a little portfolio that you can send to potential employers.